Have you freaked out seeing one of these graphs on the GAMSAT? Well, today I'm going to show you that these are actually nothing to be scared of. So this is just a plain old graph, but it has three variables on it, and it's in a triangle, which is really weird. So if we look at it, we actually have three variables. We have silt, sand, and clay. And all of these different compounds in the middle of that triangle have different percentages of these three materials. But how do we know which one is which value? Well, the key is really looking at the axis. So if you look really carefully, you can see that silt, all of the tick marks here are following this direction. And that actually tells us that when we're reading the graph, we read it in that direction for that variable. So again, if we go into sand, we can see that they're going off here diagonally to the left. And if we go to clay and go in a little bit, we can see that these are just going horizontally right. So if we take any point on this graph, we just need to follow those directions back to that axis. So if I put a point here, for example, in green, to find the value of that thing for silt, we need to follow it back this direction. So that would be 30% silt. For sand, we need to follow it on these upwards to the left direction. So it would go down this way and it'd be 30% sand as well. And then for clay, we need to go horizontally this way. So we're basically just tracking it back and finding out all the different values for that. And if you add these together, we have 30% silt, 30% sand, and 40% clay, which adds up to 100%.